Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how can you fix profile update field on Twitter app. To fix a profile update field error on Twitter app, you could try these steps. Now, first of all, what you need to do is go and open up your Twitter X or application, and when you're logged into your account, it's gonna direct you to the home page. While you're on this page, if you click the profile from the top right and from the menu bar, go to profile and click on edit profile. So when you come to this page, you'll have an option, or you'll be able to go ahead and make changes with your profile picture, or you'll be able to update it. So in any case, if you're unable to do it so, or if you're having issue, or if you see such as fail to update, possible reason could be the internet connection. Sometimes poor connectivity, or if you're not connected to an internet service, might lead to this sort of issue. So you could go and always make sure to check for an internet connection. So go to settings, or you could just simply swipe up and see whether you're connected to a Wi-Fi or not. Similarly, if you're connected to a Wi-Fi or any of the cellular data, you could try restarting it. That could be able to fix it as well. If not, you could also try updating. So go to the Play Store or an App Store, and on the search box type in X or Twitter X, and here you could see whether the app needs to be updated or not. After updating it, go ahead and try logging in and check whether you're able to update your profile or not. If this show persists on, you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. For that, you want to long press the application, then click the I button or the app info, after which you want to go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache, and as per the storage, just leave it as it is, as it will delete the data permanently. After doing this, restart your device. That could be able to fix the issue all at once. If nothing seems to be working out, then you could try uninstalling the Twitter application or reinstall it from your respective app store. That could be possible to help you out. So that's the way you could fix profile update field on Twitter app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.